Hi guys, welcome back to another Irish class, and this is long overdue, very long overdue. So let's get back on track. Today we are going to take it easy. We're going to look at sentences based around the word or idea of easy. So let's get started. There are three ways to say easy. We're looking at three main words about how to say easy in Irish today, and that's éasca, the most common, éasca, furasta, and simply. So if you want to say it's no easy task, ní hen obair éasca é. Ní hen obair éasca é. Ní hen obair éasca é. That's the easy part, or that's the easy bit. Is é sin an chuid is fusa. Is a sin an chuid is fusa. Is a sin, that is, an chuid, the part or the bit, is fusa. In this case we can say is fusa or is éasca, and it's the same thing, the easiest. Is a sin an chuid is fusa. Is a sin an chuid is éasca. The easiest way to do it. An tlí is éasca. An tlí is the way. Is éasca easiest, like the superlative. Remember, níos éasca is easier, is éasca the easiest. Chun é a dhéanamh, so for it to do, in other words, to do it. An bealach is fusa lena dhéanamh. An bealach is fusa lena dhéanamh. An tlí is éasca chun é a dhéanamh. An tlí is éasca chun é a dhéanamh, or an bealach, which is the way, an bealach is fusa, the easiest way, lena dhéanamh, to do it. It's easy to fix. Tá sé éasca. Tá sé, it is. Éasca, easy. A dheisciú. A dheisciú, to fix. Tá sé éasca a dheisciú. It's easier for beginners. Tá sé níos fusa do chusathirí. Tá sé, it is, níos fusa, easier, do chusathirí, for beginners. Tá sé níos fusa do chusathirí. Tá sé níos saoráidí ag tosathirí. Tá sé níos saoráidí ag tosathirí. Saoráidí, just another way to say easy. Again, níos saoráidí, easier. To make something easy. Rud a dhéanamh éasca. Rud is thing. A dhéanamh, to do or to make. Éasca, easy. So to make something easy. Rud a dhéanamh éasca. Rud a dhéanamh éasca. Or you could use the verb and you could say rud a éascú. Like to, I suppose more like to simplify something. To make something easy. Rud a éascú. Rud a éascú. It makes it easier to spot errors. Fágann sé. Go bhfuil sé níos éasca. Fágann sé, so like it leaves it, or it makes it, it renders it, it makes it become. Go bhfuil sé, that it is. Níos éasca, easier. Éráidí a aimsiú. Éráidí, errors, aimsiú, to spot or to notice. Fágann sé, go bhfuil sé níos éasca, éráidí a aimsiú. Fágann sé, go bhfuil sé níos éasca, éráidí a aimsiú. It was all too easy. Bhí sé I bhfad ro éasca. Bhí sé, it was. I bhfad, like completely, or completely, totally, too much. Ro éasca, too easy. Remember, ro is the prefix to say too. Éasca, easy. Ro éasca, too easy. Bhí sé I bhfad ro éasca. It was all too easy. It's easier said than done. Tá sé níos éasca a rá ná a dhéanamh. Tá sé níos éasca, it is easier a rá, to say, ná than a dhéanamh, to do or to make. Tá sé níos éasca a rá ná a dhéanamh. Tá sé níos éasca a rá ná a dhéanamh. The exam was very easy. Always a good sentence. Bhí an scrúdú an éasca. Bhí an scrúdú, the exam or the test was an éasca. Very easy. Bhí an scrúdú an éasca. There's no easy answer to it. Níl réiteach éasca bith Níl réiteach éasca. Réiteach answer, response, solution. Éasca easy. Bith bith is at all. At all. Chur bit, you can also say at all. Bith at all to it or for it. There's no easy answer to it. Níl réiteach éasca bith Níl réiteach éasca bith He was easy to identify. Bhí sé éasca ahant. Bhí sé éasca, it was easy, him, ahant, to identify or recognize. Bhí sé éasca ahant. Bhí sé éasca ahant. It's easy to understand why it happened. Is firsta, so you can say firsta or éasca is firsta. A hiskint is to understand. Cén fá, why, harla sé. Harla sé is the past of happen. It happened in the third person singular. Harla sé. Cén fá harla sé, why it happened. Is firsta a hiskint, it's easy to understand. Cén fá harla sé, why it happened. Is firsta a hiskint, cén fá harla sé. It's easy for you to say that. Is ré a gutsa, éishin a rá. Ré can mean ready or prepared, but it can also mean easy, like in this case. Is ré a gutsa, it's easy for you, éishin a rá, to say that. Éishin, that, a rá, to say. Is ré a gutsa, éishin a rá. We'll just read through them all once more to review. It's no easy task. Ní haon obair éasca é. That's the easy part. Is é sin an chuid is fusa. Is é sin an chuid is éasca. The easiest way to do it. An tlí is éasca chun é a dhéanamh. Or an bailach is fusa lena dhéanamh. It's easy to fix. Tá sé éasca a dhéisiú. It's easier for beginners. Tá sé níos fusa do thusaitheoirí. Or tá sé níos saorádaí ag thusaitheoirí. To make something easy, rud a dhéanamh éasca or rud a éascú. It makes it easier to spot errors. Fágann sé, go bhfuil sé níos éasca, arádaí a aimsiú. Fágann sé, go bhfuil sé níos éasca, arádaí a aimsiú. It was all too easy. Bhí sé I bhfad ró éasca. It's easier said than done. Tá sé níos éasca a rá ná a dhéanamh. The exam was very easy. Bhí an scrúdú an éasca. There's no easy answer to it. Níl réiteach éasca bith He was easy to identify. Bhí sé éasca ahant. It's easy to understand why it happened. Is firsta a hiskint, cén fá harla sé. It's easy for you to say that. Is ré a gutsa, é sin a rá. Enjoy the rest of the evening and hopefully we'll be getting back to these more frequently. See you soon.